Hello, you're welcome to the end of year edition of the Science Chef Academy Trivia on Chemistry. I am Charles, the Science Chef, and I'm delighted to be with you. Today, we are serving you a spicy hot menu on acids and bases. So relax and enjoy yourself. If you would like to watch more of our trivia, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Meanwhile, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. You have 10 seconds to pick the correct answer from the options A to D before the time elapses. So let's play. Question 1. Which of the following acids would readily react with calcium carbonate to liberate carbon 4 oxide? A. Ethanoic acid. B. Tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. C. Trioxosulfate 4 acid. D. Triosonitrate 5 acid. Your time starts now. The correct answer is D. Triosonitrate 5 acid. Question 2. Which of the following pH values indicates that a solution is a strong base? A. 1. B. 5. C. 9 and D. 13. And the answer is D. 13. Question 3. A substance L reacts with ammonium triosonitrate 5 to generate ammonia gas. L is likely to be A. Hydrochloric acid. B. Sodium hydroxide. C. Ethanoic acid. D. Calcium tetraoxosulfate 6. If you chose B, sodium hydroxide, you're correct. Question 4. The color of phenolphthalein indicator in alkaline solution at the end of an acid-base titration is A. Colorless. B. Orange. C. Pink. D. Yellow. And the correct answer is A. Colorless. Next question. Which of the following hydrohalic acids is the weakest? A. Hydrobromic acid. B. Hydrochloric acid. C. Hydrofluoric acid. And D. Hydroiodic acid. The answer is C. Hydrofluoric acid. Question 6. Which of the following hydroxides will readily dissolve in water? A. Copper hydroxide. B. Sodium hydroxide. C. Lead 2 hydroxide. And D. Zinc hydroxide. And the answer is B. Sodium hydroxide. Question 7. Which of the following dilute acids does not react with metals to liberate hydrogen? A. Ethanoic acid. B. Hydrochloric acid. C. Tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. And D. Triosonitrate 5 acid. Your time starts now. The correct answer is D. Triosonitrate 5 acid. Question 8. The indicator used in neutralizing ethanoic acid and sodium hydroxide solutions has a pH range of A. 3 to 5, B. 7 to 8, C. 8 to 10, and D. 10 to 12. The correct answer is D. 10 to 12. Question 9. The color of methyl orange indicator in dilute triazonitrate 5 acid is A. Colorless, B. Orange, C. Pink, and D. Red. And the answer is D. Red. Question 10. Consider the reaction represented by the equation as shown on the screen. In the reaction above, carbon 4 oxide acts as A. An acidic oxide, B. An oxidizing agent, C. A basic oxide, and D. A dehydrating agent. If you chose A, an acidic oxide, you are correct. It's now your turn to show us how good you are with acids and bases. Kindly provide the answers to questions 11 to 15 in the comments section. Question 11. Which of the following pairs of acids and bases will produce a solution with pH less than 7 at equivalence point? A. HNO3 and NaOH, B. H2SO4 and KOH, C. HCl and MgOH2, and D. HNO3 and KOH. Question 12. Which of the following substances will not produce effervescence with dilute hydrochloric acid? A. Copper 2-triazocarbonate 4, B. Potassium hydrogen triazocarbonate 4, C. Zinc granules, and D. Sodium chloride. Question 13. Bees inject an acidic substance when they sting. Which of the following chemicals could be used to treat bee sting? A. Ethanoic acid, B. Sodium hydrogen triazocarbonate 4, C. Ethanol, and D. Hydrogen peroxide. Question 14. Which of the following acids is dibasic? A. Hydrochloric acid, B. Triazosulfate 4 acid, C. Diazonitrate 3 acid, and D. Ethanoic acid. Question 15. Which of the following processes involves neutralization? A. Hardening of oils, B. Souring of milk, C. Charring of sugar, and D. Liming of soil. For your group of private online tutorial classes on any or all of physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics, You can talk to us via any of our contact details showing on the screen or in the description below, and you'll be glad you did.